Silence, please, silence.
You. Based also on your records, would you be able to tell this honorable court if exhibit you was transferred to another person?
If the question, Your Honor, is based on your record, then the best evidence will be the record, Your Honor, not the testimony of the witness.
That's correct. Please respond to the question.
Okay, I will respond, Your Honor. Mr. Witness, do you have with you transfer certificate of title 00201-001-0259 in the name of Maria Carla C. Castillo, married to Constantino T. Castillo?
Yes, Your Honor.
Now, for the record, Your Honor, the transfer certificate of title 004-201-001-0259 was marked this morning as our Exhibit XX. Now, based also on the record that you have, can you tell us what was the basis for the issuance of Exhibit XX?
What is Exhibit XX?
This is transfer certificate of title, Your Honor, issued in the name of Maria Carla C. Castillo, married to Constantino T. Castillo.
Proceed.
Your Honor, entry number 201-0028-741, dated November 9, 2010, shows a registration of a sale transaction, Your Honor. This is a sale executed by Maria Cristina R. Corona, married to Renato C. Corona, in favor of Maria Carla C. Castillo, married to Constantino T. Castillo.
Do you have the deed of sale which you just mentioned a while ago?
Yes, Your Honor.
For the record, Your Honor, this deed of sale was previously marked this morning as Exhibit VB, and the amount is 18 million pesos.
How much?
18 million pesos, Your Honor.
The consideration. The consideration for the sale.
80, yes, Your Honor. I direct your attention, Mr. Witness, on Exhibit XXX-2. For the record, Your Honor, in the memorandum of encumbrances indicated in Exhibit XX-2, this refers to the La Vista lot, Your Honor. and the area is 1,200 square meter. Again, Mr. Witness, do you have a copy of condominium certificate of title number N35812?
Yes, Your Honor, I have a copy of condominium certificate of title number N-35812.
For the record, Your Honor, this condominium certificate of title was marked this morning as our exhibit OO. Now, based on your records again, what was the basis for the issuance of this exhibit OO?
Your Honor, the basis for the issuance of condominium certificate of title number N-35812 in the name of spouses Renato C. Corona and Cristina R. Corona is a deed of absolute sale dated October 8, 2003, executed by Burgundy Realty Corporation as seller in favor of spouses Renato C. Corona and Cristina R. Corona, Your Honor.
For the record, Your Honor, the deed of sale mentioned by the witness was marked this morning as our exhibit PP. And the consideration is 2,758,800 pesos. And this refers to 1 Burgundy Plaza, Quezon City. Now, do you also have with you transfer certificate of title RT3191?
Your Honor, I have with me the original copy of transfer certificate of title number RT-31911, open close parenthesis 163660. This is a title registered in the name of Renato C. Corona, married to Maria Cristina R. Corona, Your Honor.
We will ask you, may we request, Your Honor, that this document marked as Exhibit QQ be marked as Exhibit 20 for the defense, Your Honor.
Mark it accordingly.
And the date of the instrument, reading February 12, 1990, March 8, 1990, be encircled, Your Honor, and marked as Exhibit 20-A for the defense, Your Honor.
Mark it accordingly.
For the record, Your Honor, this transfer certificate of title number RT3191 was marked this morning as our exhibit QQ. May I proceed, Your Honor?
Proceed.
Do you also have with you transfer certificate of title number N141891 in the name of Renato C. Corona, of legal age, married to Cristina R. Corona?
Your Honor, I have with me the original copy of transfer certificate of title number N-141891. This title is registered in the name of Renato C. Corona, married to Cristina R. Corona, Your Honor.
For the record, Your Honor, this transfer certificate of title N141891 was marked this morning as our exhibit RR.
Your Honor, please, may we be allowed to
What is the pleasure of the defense counsel?
may we have this exhibit RR, Your Honor, be marked as our exhibit 21 for the defense.
Mark it accordingly for the defense.
And the date appearing herein, reading entered at Quezon City, Philippines, on the 23rd day of October 1995 at 10:30 a.m. being circled and marked as Exhibit 21.
Mark it
21
accordingly.
A, Your Honor.
Mark it accordingly.